So what is Riddy? Riddy is pro-grade pest control delivered straight to your door. It's a year-round solution to your everyday pest problem. Each shipment comes with everything you need to get pest-free. Before you begin, be sure to wear long sleeves, pants, closed-toe shoes, and the provided safety gloves. Start by filling the application bag about halfway with water. Then carefully pour in the pesticide concentrate. To make sure you got all the pesticide, fill the empty bottle with water and pour it into the bag. Put the cap back on and gently shake the bag to mix up the pesticide. Now fill the bag up with water all the way to the fill line. Insert the tube and attach the sprayer securely. Then shake the bag again to mix it all up. Now you'll want to make an invisible barrier around the base of your home. The sprayer nozzle is adjustable, so for the barrier spray you'll want to open it about halfway for a wide and even spray. Lightly apply the spray to your home's foundation in a 4-foot wide band, about 2 feet up on the wall and 2 feet out on the ground. Try to avoid overspraying so you don't use up the mixture too quickly. Spray windows, doors, and garages, as well as other entry points where bugs can access, like vents, pipes, and cracks. To protect bees and other pollinators, avoid spraying around any flowering plants. If you've seen pests inside, you can use Riddy indoors as well. Spray along baseboards every 2 feet. You can also spray around windows and doors and behind and around appliances. Keep children and pets away from the treated area until dry, which is typically around an hour. The pesticide mixture cannot be stored overnight, so be sure to use the entire bag. Once you've completed the application, dispose of the application bag, empty pesticide bottle, and gloves, and store the reusable wand for your next application. Then you can use the monitor traps to monitor your results and find areas that need more attention. Each sheet tears into 3 separate traps. Fold them as shown and place them under the sink, in the pantry, beside entryways, and any other areas that you've seen activity. We realize it's hard to keep bugs out completely, so we've got you covered in between applications with your Riddy Aerosol. For indoor spot treatment, spray the aerosol in areas like closets, pantries, and under the sink, and in cracks and crevices like behind appliances. Now you can sit back and relax knowing that Riddy has got you covered. Get ready for future treatments by signing up for automatic shipments. We'll send you everything you need for seasonal application, so once the season is ready, you'll get Riddy. For detailed application and safety instructions, always read the insecticide label. And of course, if you have any questions, our Riddy Pest experts are just a phone call away.